Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If the Alt plus Tab function is not working on your system, then watch this video for the solution. The first solution is to change the multitasking settings in system. So for that we'll right click on the start button. We'll look for settings and we'll go to system. In system we will look for multitasking and we will look for desktops and drop it down. Now show all windows. When I press Alt plus Tab, you should drop down and select on all desktops and close it, and it should start working now. If this doesn't work, then you need to restart the Windows Explorer. So for that we need to go to the task manager, click on it and look for the Windows Explorer. We will go down, look for Windows Explorer, and there it is. So we'll go there, we'll right click on it and we will click on restart, and this should solve the issue. If both of these options don't work, then another solution is to reinstall the keyboard drivers. So we will do that by going to device manager from the search bar, and we will look for the keyboards and we will expand it, and we will update each HID keyboard device. So we will update each driver, right click on update, and right click and click on update. The standard PS2 keyboard is the old keyboards which use the 3-pin plugs, so we don't need to update that. The final solution is to run an SFC scan. So we'll look for command prompt in the search bar and we'll right click on it, run as administrator, click on yes, and input the command sfc space slash scannow and press enter. We'll wait for the scan to run, then restart the computer, and the Alt plus Tab should start working on your system. If this video helped you, then please subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.